My major was welding and associates in applied science with Welding Technology. I just wanted to try something that was not in the medical field, and I was always more of a tomboy. I have 4 brothers, so I just wanted to do something hands-on, something I could have in the field as a trade and a skill. I do have plans on transferring to a 4-year university. My goal is in the fall transferring to KWC and get my bachelor's so I can teach later on in the future. I chose OCTC because it was local and affordable. I've looked around and it's a fraction of the cost compared to other schools. Also, being a single mother, it helped me to have something local and close to home. I would tell someone who is planning on going to OCTC or why they should pursue OCTC is it's local, it's affordable, and it's all around an outstanding college. I couldn't ask for better professors and staff to surround myself with. They encouraged me and helped me get to the top of my goals. I think the greatest benefits in working in manufacturing is you're not just a number. You mean something to the company and to the work you're doing. You put in the quality work to get a quality product. Some of the main challenges in working in manufacturing, especially for women, I think it's kind of intimidating at first going into a man's world, but if you put your mind to it, you can do anything, and in my opinion, women can do it better. We have steadier hands is what I've been told. If I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't change anything. I would still stick to OCTC and definitely the welding program.